We have fish. And we have frogs. Mountain. Hello, I'm Clay from Frog's Dream in Long Valley, New Jersey, and I'm here to bring you this week's Weekly Ribbit. So, it's unbelievably beautiful out here today. We've got a week long of rain and dreary weather, and now we have this gorgeous day. I'm out here by the pond, and I'm looking at all the things that come alive during this time of year, and our fish start swimming around. We get to start feeding them. The frogs are out. They start laying their eggs. We start to see tadpoles, and our plants start to grow. Our water lilies are starting to grow, and some of them are even starting to come up and bud. And I'm thinking about all the things that these ponds attract and all of the things that make a pond so much fun. And it's not something I have in my pond, but it's a question we get asked enough to where I think it's probably great to answer it. And the question we get a lot, the question we get is, can I have turtles in my pond? It's a great question. Something that I think would be a lot of fun. However, there's a bit of a catch to it. You can put turtles in your pond. They're cool, they swim around. It's an awesome element to add to your pond. But there's, like I said, one funky catch. You put them in, they're not going to stick around. We've had numerous people put them in their ponds, and then they come out the next day and their turtle is nowhere to be found. So you can do it, but what you need to do is you need to build your pond to have turtles, or you need to put a fence or something around it so the turtles can't get out and leave your pond. Another thing that you need to be careful of, and the only reason I know this because I don't know a lot about turtles, is if you leave your turtles outside all day and night, hawks can get them. And I just know that because of a customer, so you need to be careful. If you have pet turtles and you just want to bring them out to your pond and you have them inside, maybe just create an area in your pond where they can stay, and like a little fenced in area, and you can have your turtles and have fun with them. You can have turtles, not going to hurt anything. It would be a lot of fun, but you need to either A, build the pond specifically for turtles so they can't get out, or B, you need to put some kind of barrier around the pond, a little fence or garden fence or something, so the turtles can't get out. And be careful of predators, because like our fish, they have predators. Turtles have predators that can get them too. That's this week's Weekly Ribbit. And don't forget, if this is your pond, make sure you click the link below that says I saw my pond to get your free AFD apparel. And if you have any questions, make sure you click the link below that says Weekly Ribbit question submission. Submit your questions, submit your pictures, so you too can be featured on the Weekly Ribbit. Have a great week, everyone, and thanks for listening.